Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristina here with Curls with Chris, and this week I wanted to do another sort of tutorial for my channel for you guys because I know you guys like those. This week I decided to do a blown out twist out on my hair. So I don't particularly like the way my hair comes out when I try to do twist outs on just freshly washed hair. I've done it numerous times. It just doesn't seem to work for me. So this week I decided to try it on my blown out hair. So I personally feel like my hair is a lot more voluminous this time. It's a lot more shiny, and it also obviously has a little bit more length to it, and that is simply because of, because I blew my hair out before I twisted it. And so yeah, this was super easy. It was super fast, and I actually left the twists in my hair for 2 days because I'm working from home, and it was just a really easy. I had it looks like a little crown on my head. But yeah, so then when I was ready to go out, I just took them out, and this is the outcome. So if you're interested in how I got this look, this is gonna be the video for you. So just keep watching. But before we jump right into it, I am simply going to ask that you like and subscribe to my channel for videos similar to this and that are fashion related. And I'm gonna be starting to do a few vlogs. So yeah, the subscribe button should be here, I believe. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, just please click the subscribe button, and I am going to jump right into it. Hey again, friends. Okay, so this is my hair, just freshly washed and deep conditioned, and also blow dried. So obviously you can see that I didn't do the greatest job blow drying, but with this style that really doesn't matter. So here I just have clipped my hair away, and I'm beginning the first part. So I am using my Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk for each section of my hair, and I'm just putting about a quarter size amount, and I like to start there. That way if I need to add later, it's not too saturated, because for me, for this particular style, I don't believe you need your hair to be you don't want it to be soaking wet. Obviously, that's why you blow dried it first, but you do want it to be, moisturized. So I'm just putting a little bit of hair milk on it, and basically I just comb it through, and then I start the twisting process, which I'm about to show here. So for some reason, whenever I do the first twist, it's always like a doozy, and then the ones that come after are like super organized. So just bear with me here. Okay, so once I get to the bottom of the piece, the section of hair that I'm twisting, I always try to put a little bit of product at the bottom just to protect my ends at all costs, because you don't want your ends to get dry ever, because that is a recipe for disaster. So I'm just adding that on, and then I'm putting my flexi rod on the ends of my hair, and I'm going to use the flexi rods for each section that I do. So now I'm just going to use the exact same process for the rest of my entire head. Basically, just part the hair, put the product on, comb it through, and then twist and flexi rod at the end. That is literally all that you're going to be doing here, guys. It's really, really easy to do this style. I actually think that my hair would benefit better from this style, because obviously I'm just letting you guys know this is my first time doing this style, and it did come out really well. But I think that the next time I do it, I will go back to my old faithful braids, just because I'm not a flat twister. I'm still learning, so my twists don't ever get as tight as I would like them to get. So yeah, just an FYI, I think I'm going to be doing doing this blown out. I'll do a blown out braid out again, and probably not a blown out twist out. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in seeing how my hair would turn out in a blown out braid out in the next coming weeks? I'd like to know. Okay, so as I'm coming to the end of this braid, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that for the back of my hair, I did not do flat twists. I just did a few regular twists back there, so they're not flat twisted. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see how they look. And just for the future, because this was the first time for me doing my hair, I would definitely, because I do have fine hair, you guys know I say that a lot, I would definitely do the sections bigger, because now that my hair in this portion of the video, my hair is done, you can see how, just very thin once the hair is dry, the twist became. So if I had done them a little bit bigger for the one, especially the ones in the back, I think that my hair, the twists, I like the way they came out, but I definitely think they would have come out even better. And friends, as I'm taking down my hair, I'm just using any old, I'm using a keratin shine mist that I like from Pantene Pro V, but you can use any type. I recommend using any type of serum or light oil to take down your twist, because your hair is blow dried, you do want it to be like really nice and fluffy, and I would prefer my hair to be bigger. So I just use a very light mist to maximize on the volume, not to weigh my hair down. This will also reduce any any frizz that you may get during your takedown process. And so as we're getting to the final couple of braids, as you can see how my roots are looking kind of more fluffy than I would like them to be. Definitely try to make sure you get your roots a little bit better than I did. I think I did okay, but I would definitely try to get them a little bit more. I just wasn't interested in blow drying my hair that much, to try to reduce the amount of heat damage that I would have gotten on my hair. But if you can, try to get your roots a little more, because especially with the twist, because I obviously can't twist very tight, it would have helped the way that the style came out. I'm assuming that I think that because I braid tighter, if I were to do braids, it would definitely not matter as much. Okay guys, so this is the final portion of the video, and so yeah, this is the outcome. I still think that it looks really cute despite the little hiccups that I had, but you know what, this is how I was going to style it anyway. And so yeah, this is the final product. I hope you guys found this useful, and I hope you guys try this look as well, especially with the little pointers that that I threw in there that I wish that I had done myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.